Hey guys, welcome back. Now let's get started with our day 8's walkthrough. So you guys can go ahead and read the story here. Now coming to the task objectives, learn how to perform the following with FTK Imager, analyze digital artifacts and evidence, recover deleted digital artifacts and evidence, verify the integrity of drive or image used as an evidence. Investigating the malicious USB flash drive. In our scenario, the write-protected USB that was confiscated will automatically be attached to the VM upon the startup. The VM mounts an emulated USB flash drive in read-only mode to replicate the scenario where a physical drive connected to a write blocker is attached to the actual machine for forensic analysis. When applied in the real world, a forensic lab analyst will first note the suspect drive or forensic artifact details such as the vendor or manufacturer and hardware ID, and then mount it to a write blocking device to prevent accidental data tampering due to forensic analysis. FTK Imager. FTK Imager is a forensics tool that allows forensic specialists to acquire computer data and perform analysis without affecting the original evidence, preserving its authenticity, integrity, and validity for presentation during a trial in a court of law. You can go to Files here and add the item. FTK Images interface is intuitive and user-friendly. It displays an X on the icon next to the deleted files and includes a key UI component vital for its functionality. These components are Evidence Tree pane, File List pane, and Viewer pane. FTK Imager presents three distinct modes for displaying file content arranged sequentially from left to right, each represented by icons enclosed in yellow. So these are the icons here. So first one is automatic mode. Selects the optimal preview method based on the file type. It utilizes Internet Explorer for web-related files, displays text files in ASCII or Unicode, and opens unrecognized file types in their native applications or as hexadecimal code. The next one is the text mode. It allows file contents to be previewed as ASCII or Unicode text. This mode is useful for revealing hidden text and binary data in non-text files. Now the last mode is hex mode. It displays files in hexadecimal format, providing a detailed view of the data at the binary level. So we can use Ctrl+F to search for specific text within a file while in either text or hex preview mode. Now recovering deleted files and folders. To view and recover deleted files, expand directories in the file list pane and evidence tree pane. Right-click and select export files on individual files marked with the X icon or on entire directories or devices for bulk recovery of files. Verifying a drive or image integrity. To verify the integrity of a drive or image, click on it from the evidence tree pane and navigate to File and click on Verify Drive or Image to obtain its MD5 and SHA-1 hashes. So now let's go ahead and fire up our machine. Now let's go ahead and check out the questions we need to answer. So the first question is, what is the malware C2 server? Now let's open up the FTK Imager. Now let's click on File, Add Evidence Item, Next, and this is our drive, and click on Finish. Now let's go into the root directory. So let's click on Do Not Open. So here we have there's something called the secret chat. So here from this chat we can see that the server is good to go at macreadysecret2.thm. So let's copy this. Okay, so the next question is, what is the file inside the deleted zip archive? So here we have a zip archive and it's deleted. Let's go inside. Okay, so this is the file. So the next question is, what is the flag hidden in one of the deleted PNG files? So now we don't have a PNG file here. Let's go back. Let's check for PNG files. So here we have a PNG file here. So it says that the flag is hidden in this PNG file. So let's export this. Now let's try to read this using the notepad. Since we know that the flag always contains THM, now let's search for THM. So we got a flag here. Let's copy this. So coming to the next question, what is the SHA-1 hash of physical drive and forensic image? So we can get the hash when we verify the drive. Now let's go ahead and do that. Let's click on verify image drive. So here we have got a SHA-1 hash. Let's copy it. Now we have completed the walkthrough of day 8. Thank you for watching my video and stay tuned for more.